Hey everybody, this is Aaron with GeoWays here for another quick RESTerville tutorial. So in our previous tutorial, we had spun up the instance. We are now running serverless. We're running RESTerville through Docker via Google Cloud Platform. And now the next step is to actually start connecting it to things. So specifically what we are doing during this tutorial is hooking it up to a Postgres instance. There's only one real requirement for this, and that's that you have a Postgres instance with a PostGIS extension. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start by just kind of showing that there are no active Postgres instances hooked up to this thing. So we can open up a new tab, put in the RESTerville URL, and then we're going to run the PG service function and with our API key, which is what we established last time. And you can see that we have no services available. We're going to fix that. So now we're going to go to Secret Manager, and we are going to set up our connection. Let's go ahead and enable the API. All right, and so now the API looks to be up and running. We're going to create a secret. Let's just call it RESTerville PG Connections. And I say connections because we can actually do multiple at once. And I think at least in this instance, I'm going to spare you all from watching me type, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in. I'm going to put the format that you need in the notes. In order to do multiple, all you really have to do is put a semicolon after the end of your first string, and then you have to just put in your second string right after it, just like you put in the first one, ultimately. So let's go ahead and create the secret. All right, so it looks like the secret has been created. So now what we need to do is we need to go to IAM and give the compute engine account the ability to actually access that secret. Secret Manager, Secret Accessor. That's what we want. Let's go ahead and hit save. And now I think we should be good. Let's go to Cloud Run and add in our connection. We're going to click on our instance and we're going to hit Edit and Deploy New Revision, Variables and Secrets, and we're going to reference a secret here. The name is going to be all uppercase PG _ connection. Our secret is going to be the one we just created, and latest is fine. Hit done and then hit deploy. This should go a lot faster than last time on the redeployment. And you can see that we are all set, and now we just got to test. So let's go ahead and go back here to our API key, PG service function, and now you can see we've added 2 new connections. One thing to note on these is that the name of the service is the database _ user. So whenever you put in a connection in the multiple connection scenarios, the format is always database first, _ and then the user. I think that's everything that we have. I'm going to go ahead and cut the video here, and then next tutorial we'll show you how to hook up your ArcGIS online account. All right, we'll talk to you soon. See ya.